What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for clicking on today's video. Today what we have in store for you guys is we'll be installing a flex fuel ethanol content reader. It's a fuel analyzer that I found online. As you guys can see, this is called FuelIt, and pretty much what it does, it's a bridge in between the factory harness and your E85 sensor. So that's what I do have installed in my truck. Now, I know there's other test kits out there, probably way cheaper. I did spend about $230 for this setup here, which is Bluetooth. You download the app, and then through the app, it'll show you what the ethanol content is. But we'll get into that here later on after the install. Now with me, in my case, whatever comes out of that pump that I have here nearby is what I'm gonna get with, is what I'm stuck with pretty much. So I just wanted the ability to read whatever content comes out of it. I'm not gonna test it and say, no, you know, the E85 content is not as high as I wanted to. I'm not gonna put it in my truck. That's not the case. I'm pretty much stuck with that one gas station that's nearby. So I just want the ability to read what comes out of it. So this would be it. Here today, what we're gonna do is install it for you guys. We'll go through the app and I'll show you how it works. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to go ahead and get yourself one as well. The way I received it was the actual sensor itself, and then it does come with the wiring harness extension in case you do need it. So yeah, it was about $220, $230, I can't remember. But anyways, it's gonna be a short video today. First thing we're gonna do is disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. And then we're gonna head underneath the truck and I'll show you guys how to install it. It should be a straightforward plug and play installation, so no special tools required. So let's get right into it. All right guys, so down here what we have is our E85 sensor that I installed a while back. If you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. So pretty much the plug and play, this here is gonna connect to the E85 sensor. This pigtail connects into the factory harness that we have here. So we won't be needing the extension, as you guys can see, because the factory harness reaches out pretty well here. So disconnect the negative terminal on the battery, disconnect this pigtail. We'll connect the E85 sensor, well, the analyzer from FuelIt, directly into it. We'll work our way this way. Now what we'll do is we'll connect the factory harness into the analyzer, and we're done. The only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zip tie all this extra slack that I have in the harness. Sorry. And pretty much that is it. So once it's installed, download the app, and it should work. So let me go ahead and just clean this up a little bit with the zip ties, get it out the way, and then we'll go ahead and turn on the truck, open up the app, which I've already downloaded, and we'll see if it works. All right, so we're back in the truck, connected the terminal back, turned her on. As you guys can see, she's running. You download the app either for Android or Apple. It's available for both. It is FuelIt Ethanol Content Reader or something like that. So once the app is downloaded, you can go ahead and turn it on or open it, and the first thing you'll see is the actual FuelIt app, and it's gonna have a button right on the bottom that says connect. Once you hit the connect button, it will start scanning for that Bluetooth analyzer that we installed underneath the truck, and as you guys can see, within a few seconds it'll start reading the ethanol content. There's also an option here where you can try to calculate if you guys are shooting for like E40, E50, you guys have some 93 in the tank, and you need to figure out, you know, how much E85 you need to put in to reach your desired ethanol content. You can start messing with these parameters here, and it'll tell you roughly, you know, how much E85 to add to, you know, 3 gallons of 93 to hit E50, whatever the case is, right? So I'm obviously not going to use that. Whatever comes out of the pump is what I'm going to be using, so I'll be stuck with it. So that'll do for today's video, guys. I appreciate you guys clicking on it, watching it. If you guys are tuning in for the first time, please hit that sub and like button to help the channel. The channel is growing, pretty good for me, pretty good pace. But I know I haven't been putting out much content. I've been real busy. You guys have heard it over and over again. So I'm not gonna bore you guys telling you guys all over again. So, I mean, good example right here. I've had these running boards on the floor for a very long time. The plan was to sand them down and recoat them with like a rhino lining. And I haven't even done that. They've been there for a few months. And honestly, I don't even think I'm gonna do that because I do like the way the truck looks without them. Gives the truck a lot higher stance and a lot more clearance. So maybe I'll get some amp steps because the amp steps actually come down lower than the factory running boards and they tuck right back in, so it'll still give me that clean look that I like. So I might just scrap these or sell them, but that just goes to show that I've been super busy. But I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. This video was dedicated to the FuelIt fuel analyzer, and if you guys like it, like I said, there'll be a link in the description below. And you know, if you guys are tuning in for the first time, hit that like, sub button, and I'll see you on the next one.